crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming out today with a project share. I found a really cute cupcake treat die online, and I wanted to share it with you. So let me show you what the die looks like. It looks like this. This is an absolutely adorable die, and it creates this cupcake. As you can see, I made several of them. I just kind of went crazy. But it's a cupcake treat box, and it's super simple to put together, and I made several different ones. This is the first one that I made, and as you can see on the top, I alternated the colors. So I did like light, dark, and then darker with the purple cardstock that you can get at Michael's. And then I used some pattern paper on the bottom, and then made this super cute bow with double-sided paper, and it's so cute. So here's my first one, and it's actually a really nice size. As you can see, you can see the size in my hand. It's a decent size treat topper, and there's so many, this could be wedding, bridal shower favors, baby shower favors, snail mail, you name it. It's just so cute. So I had to share and make a bunch of them. So this is the second one that I made, and I love the colors of this paper. I think this is the die cuts with the view paper. And then I made this one using the crepe paper baby paper with all those little cute little images of the little animals. Really cute, and it's easy just to take apart. You just kind of slide it off, and then the inside, you have plenty of room to put a treat. It could be candy or, anything. And I just think this is absolutely adorable. So I made that one, and then I made this one right here using some tropical paper. Really cute. And obviously the sky is the limit. You can make a bunch of different ones. And then I made this one. All right, so I wanted to share these with you. Check the description box below for the link to this product. And if you'd like to learn how to put this together, I'm going to share with you a quick tutorial. So watch to the end of the video. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, and I will see you guys soon. Bye for now. Here now to share with you how to put this super cute cupcake treat box together. It's really simple to do, so let's get started. All right, so these are the two examples that I had, and that's what we're going to be creating. You're going to need your die cut machine. You're going to need this die, looks like this, and you also need this piece right here, which I'm calling the petal. And then I use this particular bow die. You can use any bow die from your stash, of course. And then you will need a bone folder. All right, so what I have done, I've already cut out my paper. It's ready to go. So I have this sheet right here, and this is what's going to be my base of my cupcake. So I'm going to line up the die on the cardstock and stick it into my die cut machine, and I'm going to die cut it through the machine. Very simple to do. And it's going to cut out like this, and as you can see, it has these perforated lines. This is going to allow us to fold it very easily. But first, we're going to go ahead and cut out our petals. I have already cut out some of the petals right here to just get a head start, but you will need a total of 8 petals. And to make this go a little bit quicker, I have 3 sheets of paper. I think 3 sheets works best, but you can lay them all together. And then you're going to take your die and put it on the top of the 3 sheets and run it through your die cut machine. That way you get 3 petals in at once. And I like to do it back and forth just to make sure it cuts all the way through. And you should have no problem doing so. So here is 2, and uh-oh, my third one did not cut through. You may need to run it through 3 times, just in case. Because I did it before, and maybe I did it 3 times. All right, so there is the last piece. So you need a total of 8 of the petals. All right, so I'm going to move this out of the way. We have our petals and we have our dies. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take this cupcake base and we're going to fold on each scored line. And here we can start on the bottom and just push it to the top. And we'll take the side and fold it. Each side you will fold. Pretty simple to do. And then you'll do the top. Just fold down, make sure you've got it a good crease. For extra measure, you can take a bone folder and crease it. Make sure that you've got a good crease around it. I think that is good. Okay, so we just finished creasing it, and now we are going to take our glue, which I forgot to share. I'm using this wet glue right here. I really prefer the art glitter glue. It actually works a lot better, and then it has a fine tip metal nozzle, and it just makes it easy to apply to small pieces of paper. But my son recently broke mine, so I had to order a new one off of Amazon Prime, so I should get it tomorrow. But anyway, for today, for this tutorial, I'm going to use this glue. It dries pretty quickly, and you can use any glue, of course, that you have in your stash. So we're gonna start with the base, and we're going to add glue to each little piece right here. And I just do it all at once. Just makes it easy. And since it's wet glue, it's easy to work with. All right, so we're going to start with this piece right here, and I just hold it in place, and I take my middle finger and I just pinch it and hold it for a few seconds to make sure that it grabs, and then I'm going to move on to the next piece, and we'll continue that all the way around the cupcake. Hold it, press, and go to the next section. It's a little tricky. You do have to hold it in place. Move to the next section. And it's okay if the glue is oozing out. It's not a big deal. Just make sure your finger's sticky. Move to the next section. Keep going. And on this last little flap, you're going to need some glue as well. So you want to adhere that last little section together to form your cupcake base. All right, so now we have our cupcake base ready to go. The next step is to set this to the side, and now we're going to take the petals, and to each petal we're going to use a bone folder, and we're going to crease each petal like so. And you're going to do this to all 8 of petals. And they do curl up, and that's fine. And we got one more. And then last but not least, we have the bow, and I'll go ahead and do that now. I like to give the bow a crease. This bow is simple to put together. And it looks like I accidentally broke this one, so that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and glue it now. That way, at the end, we can adhere the bow. I'm just going to pinch it together and add a little bit more glue and pinch together. And then this bow is simple. You just bring it up and then back down, and then back up again. And as you can see, my fingers are a little sticky, but it does work. And I'll just apply a little bit of glue right here and then set it off to the side, and it will glue while we finish assembling the cupcake. So we'll just pinch that together and let it glue, and then we'll fluff it out in a second. All right, so let's go ahead and start putting the petals to the base of the cupcake. And it doesn't matter where you start, and you're just gonna add glue to each little section. I'll do 2 at a time. And what I do is I take the petal and I just lay it down like this, and I just kind of make sure that this part is covered. The little petal part, this little piece right here is covered so you don't see it from the front, and that's how I know where to place it. And I'm just kind of holding that in place for a second and making sure it's adhered, and then I'll move to the next one, and it's the bottom of the petal, and again doing the same thing, holding it and pinching it, and applying glue. And we're going to do this all the way around until we finish the cupcake. So now we have this, and what you're going to do is you're just basically going to fold 2 like this, then take the next, this one, and wrap it around, and you'll do that to each petal till it forms the entire shape of the cupcake. See how it's forming it? And here's the last one, and then you just kind of push it together until it looks the way you want it. You may have to bend and maneuver a little bit, push it down flat, and get it exactly where you want it. And there you have it. And then we're going to attach the bow. So we can attach the bow, and I'll just attach it right here with some glue. And I'll just stick it right there, hold it for a second. And I put my finger behind that petal just to give it some pressure. And then you're gonna wanna let it dry. But there you have it. You have your super cute cupcake treat box. This would be a super cute party favor, wedding favor. I mean, you can come up with a bunch of ideas, but snail mail, happy mail, super, super cute. I highly recommend this one for your stash. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.